My name is Jeremy of the Computer Science Course Assistants, and today I'll be showing you how to use file paths for HTML. So you'll see we already have an example file right here. We'll go ahead and display that, and you'll see that I'll be sourcing an image called dog.jpg, and I have that file right here on my desktop. So let's go ahead and show you what this looks like. So the image pops up right there. This is an example of relative file path. Since it's just on my desktop, I can just put in dog.jpg. So if we throw this into a folder, the image source will be different. So let's go ahead and drop dog in there. Now when I reload this, the image will show as broken. So to fix that, we can just go over here and we'll type in folder/dog. And now when we reload this, there we go, we fixed it. So let's go ahead and get that image back out of that folder right quick. There we go. And I'm just going to show you to make sure the image is broken now. So now I'm going to show you how to use absolute file path. So see, I pulled up the same image on the internet right here, and we're going to take the URL to this image. We're going to copy it, and we're going to paste it right in here. Now when we save this and go ahead and reload our example, it points to the same image right there. This has been Jeremy. Thank you for watching.